front yard brick landscaping ideas. Spruce up your outdoor space. Your front yard with thoughtful landscaping can significantly elevate your home's curb appeal and create an inviting atmosphere. Brick landscaping is a timeless choice that not only contributes to the overall aesthetic of your property, but also adds durability and structure to your outdoor space. Here, we explore various front yard landscaping ideas that utilize brick to transform your garden design into a captivating retreat. Elegant brick pathways. Creating inviting brick paths is an integral part of effective hardscaping in front yard landscaping. These paths can guide visitors through your outdoor space, linking various elements of your garden design. Consider unique patterns, such as herringbone or basket weave, to add visual interest. Incorporate soft lighting along the paths to enhance usability during the evening and showcase your home improvement efforts. Versatile raised brick beds. Elevate your garden design by constructing raised brick garden beds. These beds not only provide a defined area for plant selection, but also create an attractive focal point. Choose a variety of plants that bloom at different times of the year to provide continuous color and texture. Pair these beds with decorative gravel or mulch to maintain a clean look and support healthy growth. Charming brick retaining walls. Brick retaining walls serve multiple purposes. They can manage soil erosion, create terraces, and provide an ideal backdrop for plant selection. These features also allow you to maximize your planting space while adding depth to your landscaping ideas. Consider incorporating seating along the top of the wall to make your outdoor space a cozy gathering spot for family and friends. stylish outdoor deco. Integrating decorative elements into your front yard can bring your brick landscaping to life. Use brick planters, garden sculptures, or art pieces that complement your architecture for a cohesive look. Additionally, consider strategic lighting options to highlight your outdoor deco at night, turning your yard into a magical space that enhances your home's overall appearance. Creative brick borders. Another excellent way to enhance your front yard landscaping is by using brick borders to define flower beds, pathways, or even the edges of a manicured lawn. This hardscaping technique can delineate different areas while adding an elegant touch to your garden design. Choose bricks that match your home's color scheme for a harmonious look, and consider planting ground cover or low shrubs along these borders for an added layer of visual appeal. Incorporating these front yard brick landscaping ideas into your outdoor space not only enhances curb appeal, but also provides a practical and aesthetically pleasing environment. With creative plant selection and thoughtful design elements, you can achieve a well-rounded outdoor area that offers beauty and functionality for years to come. Embrace the potential of brick in your landscaping plans and enjoy the transformation of your front yard into an enviable landscape. A well-designed front yard can dramatically enhance your property's curb appeal and create a welcoming atmosphere. When considering front yard landscaping, incorporating brick landscaping elements can provide both aesthetic charm and functionality. Whether you're looking to create a cozy area or a visually stunning path, brick offers versatility and durability to elevate your outdoor space. Elegant brick paths. One of the most effective landscaping ideas for your front yard is the addition of brick paths. These paths can guide visitors from the sidewalk to your front door, creating an inviting entrance. By selecting bricks in complementary colors, you can enhance your overall garden design. Consider mixing various sizes and shapes of bricks to add texture and visual interest to your hardscaping. Inviting patios and seating areas. Transform a portion of your front yard into an outdoor oasis by creating a patio area with brick pavers. This space can serve as an excellent spot for outdoor deco, allowing you to arrange comfortable seating and decorative elements. Incorporating planters with seasonal plants will not only beautify the area, but also provide a vibrant atmosphere that enhances your home's exterior. Stylish retaining walls. If your front yard has a sloped terrain, brick retaining walls can be a practical solution for both erosion control and a refined appearance. These walls can be designed to include built-in flower beds that allow for thoughtful plant selection, adding visual layers to your landscaping. Incorporating various heights and textures can make your landscaping ideas even more dynamic. Framing with brick borders. Utilizing bricks as borders around flower beds, pathways, or lawns can provide a polished finish to your landscaping design. Brick borders not only define spaces but also help to keep mulch and soil contained, fostering a clean and organized outdoor environment. This simple home improvement can make a significant difference in maintaining a well-kept lawn. Enhancing character with decorative features. To truly personalize your front yard brick landscaping, consider adding decorative elements such as brick columns or garden arches. These features can add architectural interest and create focal points that draw the eye. Pair these hardscaping elements with lush greenery and colorful flowers for maximum impact, ensuring your outdoor space reflects your unique style and enhances your property's appeal. In summary, investing in front yard brick landscaping is an effective method to improve your outdoor space while elevating your curb appeal. From brick paths to inviting patios and decorative features, the possibilities are endless. Use these ideas as inspiration for a thoughtful garden design that complements your home and creates a welcoming environment for you and your guests.